The OnePlus Ace 6T will debut in China on December 3rd. It will offer a rectangular camera module with two sensors, similar in design to the recently launched OnePlus Ace 6. The phone will be available in flash black, phantom green, and electric purple colors with a soft matte finish. The world's first smartphone to ship with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. Paired with the Adreno 840 GPU for demanding graphics workloads. It will feature up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. Run ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. It is positioned as a performance-focused phone with 165 frames per second gaming. The OnePlus Ace 6T will feature a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 165 Hz refresh rate. An ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. The device is said to include a 32-megapixel front camera and a 50-megapixel plus 8-megapixel dual rear camera system. OnePlus Ace 6T will pack a massive 8,300 mAh battery and offer 100W fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.